Hello everyone! In this video I will be making an ambulance. First I need to make sure my lumber is in the correct width and thickness. Now for the upper part I can cut out the window. If necessary, you can sand the inside of the window smooth and then glue it to the body. Earlier I set to the correct width, but now I'm making it to the correct width. Because during the glue up your wood can slip a bit, so this is an easy way to fix that. Sand the blank smooth and then we can cut out the outside of the car. But first I marked the location of the holes for the axles. You can also do this when you've cut out the body. Sanding, sanding, sanding until all the bandsaw marks are gone. To make sure it's clear that it's an ambulance, I laser cut across. Let's drill a hole with the Forstner bit for the cross. Give it a little bit of a chamfer. And after some sanding it's ready to oil. I want to thank Rubio Monocoat for the long time support on my channel. It helps me a lot for making toys for charity. And also thank you so much to Craftparts for these beautiful wheels and axle packs. It makes the job so much easier. Thank you so much Rubio and Craftparts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye, bye, bye!